Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, hold it, let it out slow. Do it again, one more. Now let's lock in. Rooting into the earth. Breathe deep. Feel that raw energy settle into your bones, connecting to the heavens. Now tilt your chin up. A beam of electric white light cracks open the sky, shooting straight to your crown. It's cosmic, infinite, and it's pouring into you. Feel it flood through your mind, your spine, every cell in your body. Say it, I'm connected, I'm limitless. The universe moves through me. Another deep breath, let that power lock in. Balance the merge. The gold from below, the white from above. They crash together at your heart, boom, fusing into something next level. A pulse, a glow, a force field of pure balance. Say it, I am the bridge, I am whole, I am all things at once. Breathe deep, hold it, let it go.